Okay, I'm recording. So first, I wanted to ask you, as an introductory question, like, what are the ethical questions and costs of like installing CCTVs or collecting big data in like medical services?
So in the United States, we have privacy protections in the healthcare space.
Mm-hmm.
So HIPAA, HIPAA, you know the HIPAA, and so that law protects, and it's really important because, um, there are documented cases where people can be harmed if sensitive information is released to the public or to employers or to insurance companies, and so safeguarding health data either through medical records or through CCTV footage, it's really important that patients feel like their privacy will be protected in a healthcare space.
Mm-hmm. Like more specifically, I just read that like Canada has a black box technology, and that basically picks up like the patient's health data and like the surgical team's actions, and people were using that to like prevent medical malpractices. What can you say about that, or like what is your opinion on using that?
Well, any recording of data would need to, during a surgical procedure, would need to be transparent. You would have to inform the patients that they were being recorded. If it's being recorded to monitor the procedures to make sure that the standard of care is being followed, I don't think there would be any problem there, depending on the security of the recordings.
Mm-hmm. And also, do you think medical data collection, like once it is already collected and like with like consent and everything, do you think like it's ethical to use it for like commercial uses of that medical institution, or like can it be used for like commercial uses?
So this is, I mean, whether how to use data that gets collected, how to use genetic materials, or any sort of human tissue samples. These are ethical questions, and they need to be discussed with patients so that there's full transparency on what's going to happen with this either biomaterial or sensitive personal data. There's been a lot written about this. My former boss, when I was at another institution, wrote a lot about biobanking and collecting samples for large data analysis. And so, yeah, it's a complicated issue.
Mm-hmm. And now going back to the Invossa scandal. So basically, like I said, oh yeah, I just read that Invossa is like a medicine that's used for arthritis treatment, and then basically it didn't show like the ingredients in it. That caused a lot of problems. How do you think like governments or like health policies or like public policies can like deter these kind of scandals in the future from like happening?
Well, we need regulatory agencies to for oversight on ingredients and on medications and how they are created and how they're tested. So in the United States, there's a rigorous series of protocols to monitor drug safety. Those sorts of government oversights are necessary. Every country should have those sorts of procedures in place.
Okay, yeah, thank you.